Hi everyone, welcome to the introduction to this course, Master Python Programming Essentials, the easy and fast way using daily life examples. I'm your course instructor, Professor Dr. Shouke Wei. First, let's see why we should learn Python. Python is one of the most popular and easiest programming languages. It is an ideal language for scientific computing, data analysis, and machine learning. There are a lot of pre-built libraries or third-party libraries for almost every aspect of computer projects, such as app development, web development, data analysis and visualization, modeling, IoT platform development, machine learning, computer vision, and much more. Just now we said Python is one of the easiest programming languages. There's a very interesting cartoon images you can find online. I don't know really what's the source. Yeah, but you can find a lot of cartoons. Yeah, this is some of them. You see, learning Python is just like a bird wants to drink water. You see, these birds want to drink the water in a container, but it can't reach the water. So for the non-programmer, you see, the birds works very hard to put a lot of small stone or pedal. You see, then it can reach the water to drink. For the programmer, you see, he use also very hard to drink the water. This is the programmer. But for the Python programmer, you see, it's so easy and relaxed. The water will be just flow into the bird's mouth. You see, it's very interesting, but it's very good description about how easy that Python programmers to use this language. Okay, very easy to learn and very easy to use, but you can benefit a lot. Okay, there are many reasons to learning Python, but here I stress these questions from the famous ranking of the programming language. Based on the TIOBE index, Python has already overpassed Java and C and become the most popular programming language of today since October 2021. You see, this is Python, this is C, the second, third is Java, fourth is C++, and so on and so forth. This is the history of Python and other languages. You see, from 2000 here, but here the Python is the blue line. It is October 2021, already past other languages. Okay, yeah, if you are interested, you can click this linkage to the TIOBE index and study more. Also, according to the top analytic data science machine learning software 2017 to 2019, the KD Nagis poll, Python leads the top data science platforms. See this figure. And another very famous index or the ranking is the IEEE Spectrum. Yeah, you can go to their web to have a look. Python was listed as the top programming language, the number one. You see the number one in 2021. And besides, of course, Python has very high demand in the work in different fields. Yeah, if you own these skills, that means you will have a lot of chance to get a very good job with a high pay, especially for some emerging advanced technology. Just we have talked machine learning, big data analysis, computer vision, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now let's just glance over very briefly about the contents of this course. There are 10 sections. Section 1, the introduction. No, we are in the introduction part. Section 2 is about setting up Python environment, how to install Python and choose the IDE. Section 3 is variable and basic data types. Section 4 talk about complex data types. In the section 5, we were learning the basic operators. Section 6 talks about string formatting methods. Section 7 is about control flow statements. In the section 8, we were learning the built-in functions. In the section 9, it shows how to define functions, create our own functions. In the section 10, we are learning how to create Python classes. Okay, this is a very brief introduction. Thank you. See you in the next lecture. How to set up Python environment. Okay, see you then. Thank you.